Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button right there.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
I'm having a crafting day. I'm crafting away. So today we are going to make these. Do you remember these? We did a Michael's haul not too long ago. And I found these. And I said we're probably going to be making something out of them. Today's the day. We are going to be making an apron. So I'm going to get these out of here. There are 3 in here. So the package comes with 3. Michael's has tons of coupons. You guys don't ever shop at Michael's without coupons. Download the app, get the coupons. I'm sure you can get these on Amazon. Like Oriental Trading Company probably has craft aprons. Everybody kind of carries these. So these are the adult aprons. But this is going to be a fun apron that we're going to decorate up for Christmas. We're going to make a Christmas apron. So a lot of you do like cookie baking, stuff like that. This is going to be a cookie baking apron. I'm going to get you switched around and look at what we're doing. I've got it laid out as best I can, and we're going to just do what we can. What I'm going to do is a take on something we did for a Halloween shirt for Victoria not too long ago. So I've got these cutouts, and we just recently did a different one with cutouts on a shirt. But this one is a gingerbread man because we are making a cookie apron. And I'm going to take this off. And you know what? I don't want that hole in his head either. So I'm going to grab a piece of painter's tape. Hang on. Just going to take a piece of blue painter's tape and cover that hole that's in his head. I didn't mean a hole. We don't want a hole there. And then also while I was at Michael's, I picked up red and green fabric spray paint. This is what we're doing today. We are going to use the Tulip fabric spray paint. So I'm trying this for the first time. I have not used Tulip fabric spray paint, color shot. We're doing it. We're doing it right now. No, I haven't read the directions. I never read the directions. Let's just get into it. Let's just do it. Obviously, it's spray paint. You're going to want to shake it up as well as you can. It gets the propellant moving around in there. Mixes up all the colors, all that good stuff. So we're going to give this a good shake. I'll be back. I'm going to shake it for a minute. You totally get your aggressions out doing that. Okay, so let me get you guys switched around. Okay. This is going to make a mess. I should probably not be doing this inside, but here we are. I'm going to hold this. How far do you have to hold it back? 6 to 8 inches. All right, then. Okay, I've got the red down. I think what I want to do is just a tiny bit of green around it. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I think I feel like more red. It's matte. It's a matte color, by the way. So, all right. Now, we're going to lift the gingerbread man off of there. And we have our outline of our gingerbread man, which is what I was hoping for. So yay, we have our gingerbread man. That's the start. This is our background, which, you know, you may love it, you may hate it, whatever. We may embellish it just a bit more. I've got some gold here. I've got some silver. These are fun. These are terrible as far as like needing to actually to paint over upholstery, but it could be fun to add just some drizzles of some color here and there, especially gold. I'm thinking I want to see gold like drizzled on here. This is a dotting tool or an embossing tool. I got this at Dollar Tree for $1.25. You can get them for a lot more money somewhere else, but I think I'm going to just add some gold. I was going to do a gold zigzag, but that didn't come out very well, did it? You may have to do like a star or something. Again, this is not the best fabric paint. It's a little muddy. Well, I don't love that. Okay, forget that. Forget going over the color. You know what I want to do? So you see how our little gingerbread man on the wood had buttons, and he's got a little tie up here. He's got some detail on him. I want to translate that to this piece as well. All right, we've got some jacquard in rose gold. I'm going to use that. The gold looks a little muddy to me. I don't like the gold, so we're going to use the rose gold. The rose gold from Jacquard fabric paint is very shiny. It's very fun to work with. Right here. Let me get the button right there. Cute. Okay, we need eyes. And a bow tie. I don't know how to do a bow tie. I hope this is the right spot. I'm not really good at faces. Little gingerbread man. He's got eyes. Okay, I'm going to try a piece of painter's tape, and I'm going to outline his bow tie because I feel like I'm going to mess it up. It's going to be too big. It's going to be too small. It's going to be something. I'm just tracing his bow tie here. This is the approximate size and shape, and then it went on his neck like that. Obviously, it's just approximating at this point. I missed a little wing up there. We'll fix that. Put a little red in that. I'm going to use the small side of the dotting tool to outline this. Okay, now before this dries, we're going to pull that tape off, and now we have the outline that we need. Yay! Okay, cool. All right. Does he need a smile? I feel like he needs a smile. Oh, kind of like a smirk. No, he's getting a smirk. Getting a half smile. All right, now I need to let that dry so we can add more color. All right, it's dry. Well, dry enough to do a second coat. I am going to take a little green, put it here in the center of his bow tie. Give a little detail and some highlighting to him too. I've got the white. I've got a pearl white here. Let's use the little end here. Put a little highlight in his eye. Love it. I like it. I'm gonna give him some polka dots on his tie. He's so charming now. Oh, I like him a lot. I'm gonna fix this star that kind of got messed up down here and give myself a little pearl star down here, because otherwise that gold just looks weird. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it on the green tie yet. The green's still wet. I'm gonna put a little more up here. I gotta do another layer of that green, and then I think it's gonna be all done. I think he's cute. Okay, it's dry. It's my new cookie baking apron. He's got a little smirk on his face. Okay, here you go. Look how cute he is. I love him. Oh my gosh. So I've got my new cookie baking apron. What's the next minute? Yep, he's in the right place. Sweet! Okay. I think he's fun. I'm sorry. I know. I get a little goofy sometimes. I think it's just, this project is one of those projects where you could do anything you wanted to. Now, the spray paint comes in like red, green, and I think they had navy blue. I want to say they had navy blue. So you could do outlines. I think they had black too. So you could do an outline spray in any kind of color that you wanted to and make it really cute. And use trees or snowflakes or what else do they have? Snowmen. They had a little snow. You could have made a snowman one. But I feel like the gingerbread was just good because it was a cookie theme. He's cute. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junkin' shirts, don't forget to click the links below. If you'd like to send me a thrift flip challenge or anything else you want to see, you can send it to the P.O. Box. Just no creepy mail. And if you'd like to join our vintage reseller mastermind group, you can do that. The links are in the description below. And if you would like to buy me a coffee because your girl's on half tank, you can do that as well. It's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy Junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.